Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna clean the filter of the Whirlpool washing machine. The water is not draining properly, so we're just gonna open the filter and we're gonna make sure it's clean, and if it's not clean then we're gonna clean it. So the first thing to do is we're gonna unplug the machine.